Hi guys, today I am reviewing this wireless doorbell by Litech, and this is what it looks like here. I just took it out of the box. It comes with two of these receivers here. There's the doorbell button, and there's this little sticker thing that you put hanging on the outside of your door. There's also some screws and some other little parts there, but yeah. I put one already on the wall here, and now we're gonna try it. It was like really, really loud, so I had to lower it down. It like actually scared me. It scared me. I had it on too loud and it said hello, and oh my gosh, my ears. But yeah, it's a good thing I can lower it. I have that option to lower it. Alright, so let's see what. Okay, there's that one. And okay, there's that. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I might turn it up a little bit, just hope it don't get too loud. Scare me again. Okay. The Christmas one. That's cute. Sounds very springish. Okay. Okay, I actually like that one. It's basic. That one sounds funny. This one sounds like a cowboy theme. Is that Titanic? I think it is. That one would put me to sleep. That sounds like a video game. That sounds like a little nursery rhyme. Oh, my darling Clementine. For the little babies. Oops, sorry, you guys are hearing my clock in the background. one. That one sounds like my clock. Christmas song? Oh my gosh. Is that a dog barking? Now the roosters are crowing. And now a bird. Oh my gosh. Honestly, if that was my doorbell, I'd be scared.
Hello, welcome.
Okay, that was the first ringtone that when I plugged this in, it was like it was like at its fullest, and it scared the crap out of me.
Are you? Let's wait over the door.
Okay, I think I've already finished all the ringtones, and it says it has 52 built-in ringtones. Totally 52 musics are built in. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to order one of these, the link is down below. Sorry, my finger's red right there. I was eating a little bit of cake. Today's Noah's birthday, my son, so had a little piece of cake. But yeah, back to this. I like it a lot. It's really loud. I like that this comes in 2 of these things, these receivers here, and I like that the button is pretty big, so it's easy to push, and I'm sure this part lights up as you're pushing the button, and I'm sure it takes probably those little cell batteries, those little flat ones. But yeah, if you guys want to order one, the link is down below. Thank you so much to the company for sending me this really nice doorbell to review for you guys today. And I hope that you guys are having an amazing weekend, and happy St. Patrick's Day to you guys. And yeah, have a great weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye.